Yeah, I'm lighting us all right. You ready? Do you have that? Okay.
As well?
It's kind of like weird. Yeah, that looks alright?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, see? So much space on my side. Can you move here, please? Okay. Hello. What do you do? Do I have lipstick on my teeth?
Yeah.
Do I?
Yeah.
Are you serious? No, I don't. Liar.
Okay.
Guys, we got a package. This is from Kath. It's so hot, babe. This is from Kath, all the way from America. This is from Kath, all the way from America. I actually got this package yesterday, but we were gonna film it yesterday. He wanted to film it yesterday, but I was like, nah. I took off my makeup already and I'm like, nah, I don't really feel good. I feel so chaka. So, we'll open it today! Sabi kasi ni Kath, meron daw para kay Dan dito. So, he's so excited. That's why he's here. Because he wants to see it for himself and maybe eat it because maybe it's chocolate.
If it's chocolate.
What? If it's chocolate,
If I guess chocolate, will you clean the house?
What?
Will you clean the house for 2 weeks?
There's chocolate in there, we know.
Is it? Well, not?
We know.
Okay.
Liar.
Liar. Alright.
Meron kasi description.
She read the description, she cheated.
I didn't cheat. I didn't know it was there and I was just reading. I was like, oh.
So
Makeup,
we got
chocolate,
an idea.
coffee.
Who is it from?
Kath.
Thank you, Kath.
Thank you.
We love chocolate. Keep sending it.
Not me.
We don't need any more makeup. Makeup shit. Send chocolate.
Send chocolate. Is that it?
No more
I like
clothes.
chips. I don't like chocolate.
Send chocolate then.
Because I don't like it.
Exactly.
Be careful, bit. Oh gosh, you suck
Look
at
how many,
this.
look how heaps of sticky tape.
That's good. It means it's
good.
really secure. We want to make sure that we get it in perfect condition by, this is from America, you know?
USA.
US of A. Come on, so slow this guy. Let's do this. Babe, can you? Careful. We open it from the bottom kasi merong address dun sa ano, sa
Ooh.
sa ibabaw. Ibabaw? Tama ba yung Tagalog?
We should have opened it from the top.
Well, there's an address there. I do not know how to edit it. Oh my gosh, babe, that's a lot.
It is
You're the big? Go big. I see nuts.
Oh, but that's sticky tape. That
No.
says sticky tape. But no, it's
Oh,
the Body Shop. That's the good stuff. It's not
what is
focusing.
it? You do not know how to focus.
Stupid
Oh, good
camera.
job, babe. Good job. This is a, what is it? Maybe a body butter?
Yeah.
Body scrub. Perfect. Body
Good.
scrub. Yeah, Body Shop. This, oh my gosh, babe.
Good choice.
Mona Loa?
Oh, roasted macadamia.
Macadamias.
Nice.
You love nuts?
I love eating nuts.
His favorite is cashews. Mine is like the regular spicy salted nuts. But that one is good.
That's good.
That's expensive.
Okay, let's go again. Oh, maybe go this one.
Okay, that one. Hello, babe! Shampoo.
Wow.
Marami siya. That's why I decided to do a whole unboxing video. And
Yeah,
Dan is okay with it. So I was like, great. We will be unboxing it together.
I knew there was going to be chocolate in it. That's why I agreed to it. Only for the chocolate.
He's only here because of the
I'm only here for the chocolate.
Yep. He doesn't really care about all this. His reaction right now is all fake. Like, he doesn't really... he doesn't... Oh, that's funny, but he doesn't really care. But... Ooh,
This is good though. This is good stuff.
Yeah, I stopped using scrub though because I'm always in a hurry now. Not really always in a hurry, but I don't want to spend a lot of time in the shower. But I love scrubs. I think it's for my face. It's a scrub for my face. But it looks like that. It's from Derma E. And this one, oh yeah, I think this is the scrub for my face. This is the cleanser. And the other one, the last one, is just here waiting for the chocolate. Please show me the chocolate already. This is the serum. Perfect. Thank you so much. Skincare set, babe. That's amazing.
Yeah,
And then we have here, oh, I like this brand. I just don't buy it because it's expensive.
Too expensive.
Too expensive. We stick to our Garnier, which I like as well. But this is from Organics, I think it is, OGX. Sulfate-free, vanilla and chai spice shampoo and conditioner.
Wow.
So cute. Thank you so much. Hello, babe, you pick. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Look at this one.
Oh. Oh, I can smell the coffee. Woo, yes. Thank you, guys.
This one's for me.
Is it? Is it for you?
This one's for me.
Oh my gosh. Hala, I hope there's no notes. Because if there is, then we're so missing
Oh, this
it right
is good.
now. Is it? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I like this choice. So, macadamia and chocolate.
Wow.
Very nice.
I need to hide this because he's actually on a diet.
I'm on a diet for the next week and a half. Then after the wedding, I'm gonna get really fat. This is really cool as well.
Wow, how are you? A percent?
I'll have one tonight.
Just one. One box. Okay,
Your turn.
okay, this. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. This is too much. This is just way too much. Hello! Oh, bag!
That's cool.
Hello, that's so cute. Look at that. Very Hawaii feel. Oh, that's so cute.
Marc Jacobs as well.
Marc Jacobs!
I thought it was a fancy one.
Oh, that's
Makes it even better.
hello, babe! Hello, wait, what is this? Sephora. No way.
What? Upside down.
I want this! I really want this. Kaya lang iniisip ko, I don't really wear makeup like every day, so I don't want to waste my money on like this. But I've tried this kasi meron nito si Kathy Maganda. And yeah, I don't want to say I'm so close to buying it because we don't have Sephora here. But I really like it. Thank God. I really like this. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Look,
That's cool.
babe,
She gets really good presents.
oh,
Thanks,
thank
Kat.
you, thank you. Oh, this is so good. I'm done there.
Alright.
I'm done. There's more, hey! Hello. Oh,
Oh yeah. Hey, that'll be handy. You might need
heaps
some
of
of that.
nude lipstick.
You like that, don't you?
I do. I've been looking for the perfect wedding lipstick. Ito yung sinabi niya na sobrang dami daw. Ito yung sabi niya, marami daw choices. Hello, wait, don't break the thing, babe. It's
I'm not breaking
so
it.
pretty. Like, don't scratch it, I mean. This is the Estee Lauder? Estee Lauder. Do you remember we went to Estee Lauder and got a foundation sample? I didn't buy one. This is an expensive one.
Yeah.
Aw, this is so pretty. Nude. This is a really good one as well, babe.
Yeah.
It's like, can we move on already? This is a bite lipstick. Look how cute. Just look. What is this? How cute is that? It's a really tiny lipstick. Wait, hello! Urban Decay! First time ko magka-Estee Lauder na lipstick. Or lip liner. How is it?
Ooh.
This is... Oh my gosh. Hello! Oh, I can't. Hello, ang social naman ito. Grabe. Look at that. That is... ooh, melted matte. Too Faced. What are you doing? Hello, ang daming nude. Hello, this is perfect. I like this. Look at this. How pretty is that? Ito yung melted matte. Melted matte na Too Faced. Buxom! I've heard a lot of good things about this. Is this a lip gloss? It is a lip gloss, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Is it really good? Oh, that's a huge one, babe. That's a big one.
Really good.
And then last one, Marc Jacobs again. Oh my gosh. This, babe. So many nudes. Hello, look at all the swatches. Thank you, Linda. Is it good? Is it
Very good.
You're sweating. Do you want to turn on the AC?
No. Okay.
What is it? What's inside?
Macadamia.
Is it?
Have a little one. Have that little one.
How about the other one? What is it? What is the other one?
Same. They're good.
This is big, babe. Ah, it's too big. Oh, look, there's more. There's more. Oh my god. Oh. Hourglass. Why are you doing this to me? Primer! Perfect! Primer from Hourglass. And we have here the Becca priming filter. Becca. Origins mask with rose clay. That's expensive. Lahat to babe, mahal.
Oh yeah, how much are you getting?
Smashbox lid primer. Yay! Thank you! A lot, babe. That's pretty. From Hawaii.
Oh, they're cool.
It's a nail file. And then last, sa bag na to, is the Stila Stay All. Oh, look! Liquid lipstick, babe, from Stila! The chocolate is... Oh, look, babe! Look at the shade!
Perfect.
Oh, yes. That's the shade right there. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Walang dami. Over. And then merong bag. Look, what's inside? No way! Aww. House of Harlow. That's expensive. Oh my gosh, I cannot. That is so pretty as well. Hala, ang ganda! Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Hala, ang ganda, guys. Ay. Hala, ang ganda. Thank you so much. This is so fancy. Pati yung card, ang social. Aloha! That's sweet. Congratulations on your wedding. Congratulations, Rhaze, on your new job. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Kat. So, very sweet letter.
Very nice letter.
Yeah, thank you. Coffee! Ano, meron pang clip ang social.
Do we need a coffee machine there?
No. I don't really need a coffee machine.
I haven't even got it in a grinder.
It's already grind. Chocolate macadamia, babe. My gosh, this is for you, I think. And that's vanilla walnut.
Okay.
Or is it walnut? Does it say?
I don't know.
I can't read that. See, you know, I saw
Vanilla hazelnut.
hazelnut. Walnut.
Stupid.
Stupid girl. Hello, babe. There's more. There's more. Hello, this is for me, babe. This is not for you.
Okay. What is it?
Oh my gosh. Ardell lashes. Thank you, Ka. Oh my gosh, there's more makeup.
Wow.
Pixie Aspen. I like her. Ito, merong mascara, tapos mascara, brow tamer. Oh, another one from Pixie. I don't have any products from Pixie. So these are my first as well. Thank you. That's me.
I'm kidding.
Glotion Debut. Ayan. Pixie by Petra. It's the Endless Silky Eye Pen. Do you wanna go through that for me? Oh no, there's more Pixie products.
What is this?
Open it. Do your haul.
What is this though?
Samples, maybe?
Yeah, these are samples.
Heaps of samples.
Heaps of samples.
Yeah, thank you, Kath. That's so sweet of you.
Yeah, that's cool.
Thank you so much. This one
Wow.
is...
How do you get all these samples? How did she get all these?
I think when you order from Sephora.
She must order a lot.
Oh, yeah. Hala! This is cute! Look how cute. Ang liit lang niya. How do you read that, babe?
Stowaway.
Oh, yeah. Stupid. And the last three are all makeup. Dan doesn't really care about this. But we have here the Pixie, yung Aspen collaboration. This one is the glowy powder. And then meron ding blush. And then another highlighter. Oh, that's so nice. Dami naman ito. What did I say?
Let's make dinner.
Are you hungry after all the chocolate?
I'm starving.
You're kidding.
Am I?
You can't be starving after you
Very
eat.
good presents.
Meron siyang vlog. I will leave the link below. And then her Instagram as well. I will leave the link below. Kat, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kat.
I really appreciate it. We appreciate it. As in,
Really?
sobrang dami nito. As in. Thank you so much,
Are we finished?
Kat.
Before we finish.
We are.
Okay.
Can we just do the closing? Can I do the closing?
Okay. go
Can we
for
do it?
What do we do?
Just say thank you.
Ready?
Thank you.
One, no.
What? What are we doing?
One, two, three.
Thank you.
No.
What? What are we gonna say?
Thank you.
Thank you?
Together.
Okay.
After three. And you have to look at the camera. Ready?
Yeah.
One, two, three.
Thank you. That's
Corny.
so fake. That's so
Alright,
fake.
I'm out of here.
Thank you, Kat.
Thank you, Kat.
Thank you.
Awesome
Thank you
presents.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
My lipstick transfers. So.
Done.
See, transfers. You're sweating as well, babe. So turn on the AC.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not know. I can't say that anymore. I hope to see you guys tomorrow.
Next week.
No.
She'll light in a week's time.
I hope to see you guys soon. I hope may video ako bukas. We'll see. I'll do my best.
I'm falling
Be
asleep.
good. Bye. Bye, babe.
Bye.
Bye.
You grab your stuff, I'll grab mine.
No, I'll do the
Oh, YouTube face.
the YouTube face.
Yes.
Is that your YouTube face?
You grab something.
I think I would just take a screenshot where when you did this. Is that really how you do it? Like
That's how I do it.
oh gosh.